Alright, so today it is September 8th, and I am finna to start nesting. Like, I had to Google what nesting was. It's basically just preparing everything for my baby to get here. So what I'm gonna do is just put a lot of this stuff up, like these bottles. I'm not gonna wash bottles and stuff probably until like he gets here, because the hospital, well, I don't know, because I'm pumping, so I don't know, y'all. I don't know, but like this stuff right here, I'm gonna put this away, take this out of that little container and put it away, just getting everything ready. So yeah, I guess y'all can watch me do that.
Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick with they purge.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Young gun, no one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pull us a serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. Young girl, no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick with they purge.
I got my dogs out on poppin' at the reach. I got them coming in, shit look like a blitz. She wanna check me up, she wanna check my feet. I pull up the Maybach jumping, shawty better check my hips. I don't know why they all can't stand me. I guess I'm too demanding. Private landing, I guess I keep my candy. She's super soda, when the beach is sandy. I got it in Yoko, better call me ready.
I'm in the big with P-Lady, QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty, they showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. Holla, done run through $1 million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on $1 billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see them hold precision. Givers my only decision. Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick with they purge. Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick with they purge.
I guess I'm spinning, double cup I'm leaning. Guess I'm spinning, double cup I'm leaning. Need you to lean in. She wanna come this way, heat it up microwave, heat it up microwave. She wanna ride my wave, she wanna come this way, she wanna. How you feeling tonight? How you feeling?
Young gun no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Young gun no one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pour us a serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. Young gun no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
I got my dogs out on poppin' at the reach. I got them coming in, shit look like a blitz. She wanna check me up, she wanna check my feet. I pull up the Maybach jumping, shut him and check my eyes. I don't know why they always let me. I guess I'm too demanding. Private landing, I guess I keep my candy. She's super so good when the beach is sandy. I got it in your car, but call me ready.
I'm in the dude with P-Lady, QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty, they showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see them hold precision. Givers my only decision. Young gun no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young gun no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
I wonder if I like flip it on the floor or something.
What the fuck? Keep going. 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 I guess I'm spinning, double cup I'm leaning. Guess I'm spinning, double cup I'm leaning. Need you to lean in.
She wanna come this way, heat it up, microwave. Heat it up, microwave. She wanna ride my wave. She wanna come this way. She wanna. She wanna. She wanna.
What's how you feeling tonight? What's how you feeling tonight? Let's get What's how you feeling tonight?
High volume.
What's how you feeling
Young gun no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Young gun no one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pour us a serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. Young girl, no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the sperm fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard.
Alright, so I'm out of breath because I just moved this box over here. It was at the door. I just moved it over here and I'm out of breath. So only things left I have to set up is these two things. Yay. I think this is going to be simple. I don't think this is going to be hard. This, I think I'm going to have to be Bob the Builder. And I just was Bob the Builder for that. And I'm not being Bob the Builder today no more. So, and then this, he can't use this until he's like, what, 1? Or what is it? It says the age on the box. 9 months. So he can't use that for a while. So that's just going to be over there. And then his little, bouncer. I gotta put batteries in there. I gotta go buy some batteries. But, yeah, I just filmed a YouTube short video for this. So y'all will see the YouTube short video before the vlog. This vlog will be out after that YouTube short. I just did a whole short video on this and everything. I think we're gonna put, I'm just so out of breath. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna put this in his, little bed thing. It has a changing table right here, so that's why I put the diaper genie. Only thing is, it's like when I'm flipping this back and forth. Well, I mean, I guess I could stay like this, but it's supposed to like go down. But the diaper genie's in the way. So I might move the diaper genie like in a corner, like over there or something. I don't know. But yeah, this is like a little setup. I had it as a closet, but the closet, y'all, was not working for me. And I don't have a man in the house to screw like stuff in the like holes and stuff in the thing. So I just left it as a little bookshelf. It's working for me anyways. But I think I'm gonna put this in here. I got like wipes and diapers already in here, and baby powder and diaper rash cream. And then this is like the changing table right here. It has a little light. That way he won't be in the dark. Has a vibrator thing. Let me put this back so. Oh shit! And I keep on breaking this too. Like, but it has a light, the vibrator thing makes it vibrate. It's pretty cool. Music. Baby sounds. Little music, and then you can change the volume and stuff. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and I'm about to just go ahead and put this in there. I'm not gonna lay him like on this while he's in the bed, so put that in here. I'll just put it right here, like that. I'm so excited for him to get here. He got some little dinosaurs. I put like blankets and stuff in here so it'll be a little comfortable. It's a little cushion. Not too much cushion though, but yeah, we're excited. I'm excited, so. But yeah, that's basically all that I'm gonna do in this video. The rest of the nesting process, which includes all of the bottles, like sterilizing them and stuff, I'm gonna do that when like he's like literally here probably, because in the hospital I'm gonna be like breastfeeding and learning how to pump and stuff. So I'll deal with that when I come home from the hospital. And then this, I think, should I just take it out? But where, it's like, where I'm gonna put it? I don't know. I might take it out now. I think I'm gonna just wait to take it out. Yeah, I'm not gonna take it out now. I'm gonna wait. Because I did that one, so we already got one thing out. We're good. But yes, I think that's it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. And until next time.
Crack up the foreign, I swear.